Now, starting the test drive in this Nissan Sentra SV Premium, pretty decent pickup. Not overly quick, but it does get the job done. And you do have 149 horsepower, 145 pound-feet of torque. And also, even with the CVT, I just like the sounds that the vehicle makes. It's not too loud, it just drives normally. And the road noise is so far pretty good, even with these alloy wheels here. And again, it's just very simple here. And I love this stretch of road. Usually this is always crowded with vehicles, but I guess because of what time it is, I feel like I'm taking a leisurely stroll out in this car. So I haven't really had a good chance to test the braking out or anything like that, but we were able to test the accelerator out there, and it does do the job. But the brake pedal feels pretty good. It doesn't feel like Brembo's, but I mean, for what this is, decent braking power. So I'm gonna give myself a little space, get on the interstate here. All right, here we go. So certainly not flooring it, but it did get up to speed with about a third throttle, if that. Very impressed. We'll give it another pull here. And again, like I always say about Nissans, the CVTs just do a great job, not only with fuel economy, keeping the revs low, but also when you do need to get up to speed, you don't have to worry about a shift point. It's all based on your foot to the floor, how far you put it there. Not any clunking or anything to worry about. At least when they're running correctly, let me put it that way. But again, we do get intelligent cruise control, blind spot monitoring. We don't have any lane centering or lane keeping system, but pretty decent. And then you do have that sport mode, which only would help my acceleration. And then you have that eco mode specifically for driving on the interstate. That'll kind of get you that 40 miles per gallon highway that the EPA says you can get in this car. And then especially that 30 miles per gallon city. And that eco definitely helps you coming out of corners from working the engine too hard, asking for too much fuel. But all in all, for the money, I do think this is a pretty good deal compared to the Corolla, the Civic. It's not a bad bargain. But like everything else, I mean, it is expensive because inflation. But still a decent car. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Nissan Sentra SV Premium.